I love to tell a story about George Washington Carver because I think he's such a great example because he was a scientist. So here he is, a scientist. And I remember talking about a long time ago, but I like this example because here he is as a scientist and saying, I'm in God's little workshop, and showing how God, his answers, his questioning back and forth with the Lord is what led to his discovery of how to take the peanut apart and then create all of these products that you wouldn't even think a peanut had anything to do with. All hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds, right? So his breakthroughs in science in all these various areas were because he's like, I'm in God's little workshop. I ask God questions. He shows me stuff. I walk this. He shows the nature speaks to me. All of these things going on in his engagement with God. Just as that was for him then, same for all of us now. As a CEO, any area that you are operating in business, there is a divine answer for all of it. And it doesn't take away your creativity. I feel like I need to say that too. Because some people are like, what are you saying? Like, so I got to get all the things from God. I can't be creative. That's not what I said. But I did say that seeking God and doing it in partnership with him does lead to his best, which is better than yours.